Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today, you will effortlessly manage your appointments and bookings with Squarespace scheduling. In this video, we will show you how to set up and use this powerful tool to keep your schedule organized and your clients happy. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, the first thing guys that you will need to do is to go ahead and open squarespace.com/scheduling. Then this page will be open for you that basically explains everything of this good tool. So here, as you can see, this is what basically they will give you. So simplicity meets power tool that take the hassle out of online scheduling, booking and payments. You can promote with this tool your availability, so you can share your available hours and let clients book and reschedule appointments. Accept appointment bookings directly in Google, in search and in Google Maps by connecting to reserve with Google. You can stay organized, get notified when a new appointment is booked, and synchronize it with upcoming appointments with the calendar you already use like Google, Outlook, iCloud, or Office 365. We have also saving time, so you can automate and customize appointment confirmations, reminders, follow-ups, and intake forms to keep clients prompt and client information organized. And getting paid. Manage and send invoices, accept payments and deposits, and even offer discounts, packages, and subscriptions to entice clients. Now, to get to use this tool, you simply have to click right here on Try Scheduling. After that, they will take you to this page where you will ask you, how do you want to use Acuity Scheduling? You can use Acuity Scheduling on its own if that's all you need, or use it with an existing Squarespace website. You can just use it alone or simply use it with one of your sites. I'm gonna use it with this one. I'm gonna click on Next, and then I'm going to wait for it to load. The next step to do is pretty simple. You simply have for it to wait a little bit. It's gonna take a few seconds, not max, and there we go. You will have a 14 days free trial, so make sure to use the maximum out of it, so you can understand the basic of this tool. And once you get to the payment, then you will understand almost every aspect of it, and you will basically have the results between your hands and think, is it even worth it to buy it or not? So make sure to use this 14-day free trial. Now, welcome test, which is the name of my site. Get started with your scheduling page. Set up your scheduling page. So, first of all, let's create appointment types. Here, you will have two types of appointment size. There is the personal, which is one-to-one, or class, by group I mean. So you can click here and choose which one you have. Let's say you are a doctor. You simply have to go here and name it consultation, which is going to be, of course, one-to-one. The duration, let's give every person 30 minutes. The price, let's say $100. Let's click and create appointment type. This is not it. You can even go here and select additional settings. For example, you can make multiple packs. If you want consultation, for example, of like 1 hour, then you have to pay, for example, $200. If you want consultation of 15 minutes, you can like create multiple type of scheduling and much more. Here now, once you have created your appointment types, you have to set your availability. Basically, when you work, when you're not. So here, you simply have to choose your weekend, for example, off, and then leave, of course, the day that you work on. So here, you should also remove and change a couple of things. For example, do you work from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m.? If not, then make sure to modify each hour to match your real job schedule. So you can literally have the same schedule here. So people, when they take appointments, they will not take appointments with you at the middle of the night while you are sleeping. That will cause a lot of problems and issues to you. So make sure to change that and then click on save. Once you're done with this, then you have to design your scheduling page. Click here and then you have to choose a template. You either go with a monthly template or with a daily template. The monthly template is basically the best for clients booking more than a week in advance. But daily, best for when clients always try to find the earliest convenient time. Now that depends almost on the business. For example, the doctors, of course, they will go with daily. People will need the earliest date as possible. It is an emergency, it can be something urgent, it can be something crucial, so I mean, the best option is daily. But for other businesses, I don't know, for example, looking for a house or something like that, I mean, yeah, you could say monthly is good, but that's only my opinion. You can choose whatever you want. Now for the business name, let's call it, for example, dentist. Here select industry. Let's choose here medical. Let's choose here cafe, cleaning, credit, dance, digital, dogs, training, wellness, health, I think it's supposed to be, yeah, health. It's not health coaching, but whatever. Let's just go with health. There is here medical spa, there is massage, there is here hairstylist, there is fitness, there is government in case you even making a website for government, there is education in case you are doing like a website for school, and much more. Let's go for now and choose the health coaching. Here you could add a logo for the actual schedule. Here you choose like a description for any notes or instructions to take from the clients, and here week starts on, time format, language, and basically here you click on save changes and everything will be good to go. And just like that, you have made your schedule page. And now, you simply have to share this link and wait for the appointment to be rushing on you. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If there is any more questions to leave, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section so I can answer them. See you guys in the next tutorial.